Good morning, students. Today we studied about the 10th standard third unit, pair of linear equation in two variables. Then we will know that in previous class, linear equation in one variable, then algebraic equation of the type ax plus b is equal to 0. Then in this equation, the x variable is one variable having this equation. Then it contains the power is 1. Then the power of variable contains 1. Then it is called algebraic equation of linear equation with one variable. Then in this equation, a not equal to 0 and b are real number. Then x variable is called linear equation in one variable. This type of equation having only one solution. Then example is 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Then 2x is equal to minus 5. Then plus 5 is transferred to minus 5. Then x is equal to 2 is transferred to right side. Then we will get the answer x is equal to minus 5 by 2. Then linear equation in one variable is containing one solution. Then we will discuss about your chapter, the pair of linear equation in two variables. The given example is 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Then another is x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. There are two equations is given here. Then in this equation, x minus 2 is 0. Then y is as it is. Then that is equal to 2. Then the value of x is 2. Then an equation which can be put in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are the variables are the real numbers and a and b are not both 0. Consider the point. A and b and c are real numbers, but a and b are not equal to 0. Then it is called as a linear equation in two variables of x and y. Then a solution of such an equation, a pair of values, one for x and another for y, then which makes the two sides of the equation is equal. Then in fact, this is true for a linear equation, that is the each solutions x comma y of a linear equation in two variables in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then ax plus by plus c equals 0 in the form. Then in general form of a pair of linear equation in two variables is a1 x1 plus b1 y1 plus c1 is equal to 0. Then a2 x2 plus b2 y2 plus c2 is equal to 0. Here a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2 are real numbers. Then example for linear equation for two variables are, one is 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0 and 9x minus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. This is one example for linear equation in two variables. Another example is 5x minus y is equal to 0. Then minus 7x plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. Here equation, two equation is there. In first equation, constant is not represented there. Then it is 0. Its meaning is 0. Constant is 0. Then third one example is first is x plus y is equal to 7. Here also constant is 0. C1 is 0. Understood? Then second is 17 is equal to 1. Here x is 0. X is not represented there. Y is only and constant is given. Then these are three examples for linear equation in two variables. Then we already discussed the algebraic methods of solving a pair of linear equation. There are several methods for its solutions. First, we will study the substitution method for linear equation for two variables. Then we solve for the exercise 3.3 for the method for substitution method. First problem is x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 4. Then we will take again written as x plus y that is equal to 14, x minus y is equal to 4. Then it is written as equation 1 and equation 2. Then first equation we will take x plus y that is equal to 14, which we can change to. We take x or y values for this equation. 14 is as it is there. X is equal to LHS remains 14, then plus 5 changes to RHS. Then the x value we find 14 minus 5. It is noted that the equation 3. Then we put equation 3 to equation 1. We put the equation 3 to equation equation 2. But we will take the values for first equation. We will put the values to equation 2, but not in equation 1. Then put the equation 3 to equation 1. We will get x plus y is equal to 14 is there. Then we will put x value is 14 minus y plus y is there as it is written plus 14. Equation 2 becomes, we put the equation 3 to equation 2, then we will get x minus y is equal to 4. X minus y is equal to 4. Then x values we will find that 14 minus y is equal to 14. Then 14 minus 1y minus 5y we will add, we will get minus 2y is equal to 4. Then we will find the y value as, you change the 4 to LHS and minus 2y to RHS. We will get 14 minus 4 that is equal to 14 plus 4 is changes to minus 4 for we will change the place. Then plus minus 2y will changes to RHS, it will changes to plus 2y. Then subtract this, 14 minus 4 is 10 that is equal to 2y. And replace the 2 by 1 to LHS, 10 by 2 that is equal to y. Therefore divide this, y value is 5. Therefore we get the y value is 5. Then put the y value for any equation 1 or 2. We get the x value. Put the value y is equal to 5 for equation 3 also. For equation 3, x is equal to 14 minus 5 that is equal to x. 14 minus 5 is the value of y that is equal to 14 minus 5. Subtract this, we will get the x value is 9. Therefore we will get the answer x is equal to 9 and y value is 5. equation is true or false. Verify that. Verify. Taken equation 1, x plus y is equal to 14, or any equation x plus y is equal to 14. Put the values x and y. Then 9 plus 5, add this, that is equal to 14. LHS and OHS is equal. Then we find the x value and y values. It is true for this problem. Taken the other problem, s minus t is equal to 3. Then s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6 for another equation. We will take as equation 1 for s minus t is equal to 3 is equation 1. Then s by 3 plus t by 2, that is equal to, it is taken as equation 2. Then we will take the first equation for s minus, taken the values. Then we will find the s value. S is equal to minus 2 to replace the right side. It changes to plus 3. The value of s we find out, s is equal to 3 plus 3. It is denoted as equation 3. Then substitute the equation 3 to equation 2, but not 1. Then substitute equation 3 to equation 1, that becomes s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6 is there. S is 3 plus t divided by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. We substitute s value for second equation. Then we know that we directly not add 3 plus t by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6 is not directly added because the denominator is different. We taken the LCM for 3 and 2. We taken the LCM for 3 and 2. LCM of 3 and 2 is equal to 6. Then we multiplied both and denominator to 2 because LCM is 6. Here 3 is there, it is equal to 6. Then we multiplied both denominator and numerator to 2. 3 plus t by 3 into 2, that is multiplied by 2. Then here t by 2 is there, then we multiply both denominator and numerator for 3 because the LCM is 6, we find is equal to 6. Then multiply this numerator 2 into 3, 6 plus t by 6, 2t plus 3 into t is 3t by 3 into 2 is 6, that is equal to 6. Then we see here both denominator are the same, we take up LCM. Then directly we add numerator 6 plus 2t plus 3t, 6 is equal to 6. Then 6 plus 5t divided by 6, that is equal to 6. Then we multiply cross multiplied 6 into 6, you will get 6 plus 5t is equal to 36. Then 5t is still there. Then 6 is replaced to RHS. It will changes to plus 6, it changes to minus 6. Then 5t is equal to 30. 36 minus 6 is 30. Then t is equal to, we replace the 5 to RHS. It is changes to numerator and denominator is 1 by 5. 5 by 1 changes to 1 by 5. We divide the 5, 6 30. That is the value of t is equal to 6. Okay. Then we find the value of s. Then the equation having two variables. We find the two variables value in this equation. Then we find one value. Then another value is s. We substitute the value of t is equal to 6 to equation 1. We will get another value of s. Another variable value s. So t is equal to 6 for equation 1. We will get equation is s minus t is equal to 3. S minus t is equal to 3 is there. Then we will put the value of t for the equation. Then we will get s is equal to, replace the minus 6 to RHS is say plus 6. Then it changes to plus 6, that is equal to 9. Therefore, value of s is equal to plus 9. Then two variable values we find. Then verify the answer for your problem. Verify that. We will find the s value is 9 and t value is 6. Substitute the values for any equation 1, 2 or 3. We will get the verification. S minus t is equal to 3 is given equation. Then s is 9, t is 6, that is equal to 3. We subtract this, we will get the answer easily. Then LHS and RHS are same. Then your answer is right. We will find the two variables. The answer is correct. The other problem is root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. Then root 3x plus root 8y is equal to 0. Then we taken about for first and second equation noted. Then we take equation 2 for root 3x plus root 8y to values find out to taken about the equation 2. Then we find the y values. Replace the plus root 8y to another side minus root 8y. Then root 3, we find the x values only in this problem. Then root 3 is shifted to RHS. We will get root 8 by root 3 into 1. The x value is, we find minus root 8 by root 3 into y is known as equation 3. Then we will put the equation 3 to equation 1 because we will find the value taken about the equation in 2, but we will not put the x value to equation 2. We will put the equation value to equation 1 only. Then substitute the value of x in equation 1. Then we will get again written root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. We put the x value to x root 2 into minus root 8 by root 3 y plus root 3 y is equal to 0. Then here see that we not multiply or cancel divided numbers. We directly multiply these numbers. Root 2 into root 8 we will get minus 16. Minus root to 16. Minus root 16 we will get divided by root 3 y plus root 3 y plus root 3 y is equal to 0. Then we will take root 3 and 1 is the denominator here. Then we will not directly add this. Then take LCM for root 3. LCM of root 3 and 1 is root 3. Then put it minus root 3 in this place. Root 16 into it is 1. Then plus into y plus root 3 divided by root 1 is there into y, that is equal to, we multiply root 3 for LCM, that is equal to 0. Then multiply this, minus 16 is written as 4. Minus 16 is written as 4 because we know that the square root of 16 is equal to 4. We will know that square root of 16 is 4. We will written as minus root 16 is equal to 4 by 3 y plus we will multiply root 3 y into root 3. We will get root 3 into root 3. We will get 3 answer. Why? Because root 3 whole square, that becomes 3 square value is 1.5 whole square. Square root value, we will take the square root value is 1.5. Then cancels whole square and half cancels. Then remaining is 3. The multiplication of root 3 into root 3, we will get 3. Then we substitute here 3 by root 3 into y is equal to 0. Then denominator is same, we directly add the both denominator and numerator. Minus 4y plus 3y is equal to 0. We subtract minus 4y plus 3y, we will get minus 1 by root 3 y is equal to 0. Therefore, we transfer the minus 1 by root 3 to RHS. 0 into, it changes numerator and denominator, minus, that will becomes y value is 0, that is equal to 0. Because 0 multiplied any number is 0. Therefore, the value of y, we find that we will get y value is 0. Therefore, y value is 0. We will find that. Then we will find another variable x. We will substitute the value y is equal to 0 for any equation or equation 3 we will take equation 3, put the value for equation 3 becomes x is equal to minus root 8 by root 3 y, minus root 8 by root 3 y, that is equal to root 8 by root 3. Y value is 0, we will find firstly, then that becomes 0. Any value multiplied to number, any number, the answer will get 0. Then verify the answer. Take x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in this problem. We find that any first term equation taken, we substitute the values. Plus root 3 y, that is equal to 0. Root 2 into 0 plus root 3 into 0, that is equal to 0. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Add the 0 to 0. Your answer is correct. We find the answer. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 is correct. Then form the pair of linear equation for the following problems and find this solution by substitution method. First problem is the difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Then find them. Previous problem we directly given equation is there, but in this problem the statement problem is there. We will return the statement equation into equation form firstly, then solve the equation. We will find the x value and y values. Then first we will return the equation form first. Then the difference between two numbers is comes. We have taken, let us take the two numbers. Let taken two numbers x and y. Two numbers are x and y. Then first statement is the difference between two numbers is 26 is given. X and y two numbers. Their difference is 26. First statement will give for one equation. Difference between the two numbers will give 26. Then and one number is 3 times the other, find out. Then one number will take x or y. Then I will take x. Then one number is 3 times the other. One number is 3 times the other. We will return as x is equal to 3y. It will return as equation form plus 3y to shift to left side. It is equation 2 we denote. It is equation 1. Then we will find the x value and y value. Then first take the equation first. We take the equation first. X minus y is equal to 26. Then minus 5 to origin side. We will get the x value 26 plus y. Then in equation 3 we will see, we will find the x value. Then put the x value to the equation 2. We will take the value for x, we find out to use the equation 1. Then we will put the equation 2 to x value. Then put the equation 2, put equation 3 for equation 2. that becomes, first we write equation 2, x minus 3y is equal to 0. Then x square value we find that 26 plus y minus 3y is equal to 0. Then 26 still is there. Then we replace subtract plus y and minus y. We will get minus 2y. That is equal to 0. Then 26 is still here. Then minus 2y is replaced to other side with sign changes, minus 2 plus 2y. Then 26. Then we will find y only. But in this stretch 2 is there. Then 2 is replaced to LHS. 2 by 1 is there. Then replace it. It changes. 2 by 1 it changes to 1 by 2 because multiplication symbol is there. Then divide this is 30. 2 ones are and 2 6 are. Then we will get the y value 13. Okay. Then we will find another value of x. Then we will find another value for x. We take about any equation 1 or 2 or 3. We put the value of y, then we will get the value of x. We put the value of y is equal to equation 1 or equation 3. So y is equal to 13 to equation 3. It will becomes x is equal to 26 plus y. Then 26 plus y value is 13. Then add this, we will get 39. The x value is 39 we will get. Then therefore we will find x value is 39 and y value is 13. Then verify your answer. Taken about the first equation or minimal x minus 0. X is equal to 39 and y is equal to 30. Equation 2 I will taken. Then x minus 3y. Put the value x is 39, y is 13, that is equal to 0. 30, 39 as it is there. Then 13 into 3 we multiply that becomes 39. That is cancels, plus 39 and minus 13 is cancelled. That will becomes to 0. In addition or else that will become 0. Then your answer is correct. Then the difference between the two numbers is 26. Then we will, and the one number is 3 times the other. Then in this problem we find the x value and y value and verify that your answer is right. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find then the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller. Then we will taken as x and y are two angles. Let us taken x and y are two angles. We taken. Then the smaller supplementary angle. Smaller supplementary angle is x is equal to x degree. Then larger supplementary angle y degree. Larger supplementary angle is taken as y degree. Then larger y angle is taken as y degree. Therefore, then the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds, it will be written as x degree is equal to y plus 18. Then second one, x plus y is equal to 180. Then it is known as first one, which is known as second one. Then we will put equation 1 into 2. We put equation 1 into equation 2. We get equation 1 to equation we get x plus y is equal to 180. Then equation 1 we will get the x value y plus 18, y plus 18 plus y degree, that is equal to 180. Then plus y and plus 1y and plus 1y, we will add 2y. Then plus 18 is equal to 18 degree. Then 2y, replace the 80 degree to RHS side. Plus c changes to minus. Then subtract this, we will get 162 degree. 162 degree. Then y is equal to, replace 2 for RHS side. Will denominator and numerator changes because multiplication is there. Then subtract this, divide this, 2 8 jump and 2 1 jump. We will get the y value is 81 degree. We will find the x value. Then we put the y value to any equations. Put y value to equations 1. Equation 1 we get x degree is equal to y degree plus 18. Then put the y value is 81 degree. 81 degree plus 18 degree. We will add this. We will get 99 degree. 99 degree. Therefore, x degree is 99. It is known as